Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. We have Mr. Ali Gatie here with a song called Rent Free. So Ali, he is a very productive artist. We need to follow his tempo. So let's take a look at this song that really has his DNA all over it. It's usually 4 chords or so in the same way. So pretty playable and easy to learn. Let's take a look at Rent Free. No need for any capo here. Okay, so 4 chords. We start immediately with C, and that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. B minor, a bar chord coming up here. You're gonna place your index finger on the 2nd fret and bar 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord is A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so I choose the strumming pattern that is a pretty long one. It's 1 round per chord through the entire song. So we're gonna look at that, grab the 1st chord, that's a C, and it sounds like this. So it will start with down, down, up, clap. So, okay, down, down, up, clap. That's the first half. Then you continue with down, up, down, clap, down, up. Down, up, down, clap, down, up. And that rhythm here follows pretty much the melody in the background and the rhythm here. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down, up. You're gonna play 1 of these rounds per chord, C, G, B minor, and A minor, and that is the song. I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds, and it goes like this. Alright guys, so if you're an Ali Gatie fan, this is no exception of a great song from him. Rent Free, give it a try. Until next time, play tuned.